Cashing out from Steam Wallet to PayPal is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. Firstly, if you have valuable in-game items or Steam trading cards, you may be able to sell them on the Steam community market. Now the funds obtained from these sales will be added to your Steam wallet. Some online platforms allow users to exchange or sell Steam Wallet gift cards for PayPal funds. However, you should exercise caution and ensure that the transaction is secure and trustworthy. Then, you can use your Steam Wallet funds to purchase games as gifts and then send those gifts to others. Now, in some cases, you might be able to find someone willing to pay you through PayPal for the gifted game. After that, there are third-party websites and marketplaces where users may trade or sell their Steam items, including Steam Wallet funds. Now, be cautious and choose reputable platforms to avoid scams. Then participate in game trading communities or forums where users might be willing to trade or purchase Steam Wallet funds for PayPal. Then again, exercise caution and verify the legitimacy of the transaction. So this is how you can cash out from Steam Wallet to PayPal.